Everybody knows that homes in Tamarack look really nice, but let's talk about what you really want to know. Like, how do I get from the trail to the house, and how do I get from the house down to the trail and the lodge on my skis? Let's check that out first. Before we get started, I want to thank Jennifer Jones with Silver Creek Realty for letting us tour her listing today. It's pretty amazing. This is what's coming on the market. It's going to be $2,199,000, and I think that is a really great deal for how well the access is and how easy it is to get out from ski and ski out with this particular home. And if this is your first time to the channel, I'm Teia Golden. I sell real estate in and around McCall, Idaho. So if you're thinking about purchasing in the area or you just have questions about the area, reach out and give me a call anytime. I'm happy to answer any questions. So that's what's great about 98 Sugarloaf, is that you're right next to the Discovery Trail, which is good for beginner skiers. So if you have somebody in your group that's not an expert, or maybe you have somebody that's just learning, they're still going to be able to ski in and ski out of this house. And that's what makes this particular area such a great buy in Tamarack, because really anyone in your family can enjoy using the ski in, ski out feature of this home. It makes it really unique. Some of the homes that are further up the mountain, you might be a little scared if you're a beginner skier to ski in and ski out the further up you go, because you still have to be able to make it from wherever you got off the chairlift into your home. So there's different, levels of skiers, and then reasons why people would want to be in different areas throughout the mountain. Now that we've taken a look at how easy it is to get in and out with the ski in, ski out access, now we're going to take a look inside the home. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. All of your main living is on the main floor. The kitchen has all really high-end appliances, a huge propane stove, and it opens up to the living room, dining room, and the outdoor space. So it creates like a huge flow for entertaining. The area is it's decorated really nice. It has a very light color scheme and it comes fully furnished. It's decorated with like a ski chalet style. It gives winter snow type vibes. This home has the newer heating and air Samsung system that blows at a 360-degree radius, which those are really cool. It's got tankless hot water heaters. The features go on forever on this home. So if you're interested in purchasing a home in Tamarack, this is one that you definitely want to check out at 98 Sugarloaf.